Welcome to the Random Forex Trader, episode 19. Let's go to the charts. Here you can see the trade terminal. All trades have closed out. I did have to do a recovery, and I also did a trailing stop. So let's look at the account history.
Now, after watching this random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
I did a trailing stop here as a test, a 10 pip trailing stop as a test on EuroCAD, and it went up, and then the trailing stop took profit at $3.83. And then we had the CAD Chief trade, which was hung. It went ultimately into minus $140.84 in a loss. And then you can see I did an additional hedge trade, which went $37.87 in profit. And then I did one additional buy trade because that's what the trend was doing. I made $111.06. It's just about over $4 in profit total. So zero net losses there. And what did I do in terms of recovery? You can see on the first CAD Chief, which was the $140 drawdown trade, I then did an equal and opposite buy on the next one, which again went $37.87 in profit. And then finally I did an additional buy because the trend was going that way at a 0.5 lot size and made $111. So the initial trade and the second trade was a hedge, a sell at $1, a buy at $1 or at 0.1, and then finally a buy at 0.5, which got me out of the trade. Typically, I don't try to take a lot of profits on those recovery trades. I just ultimately get out of the trade at a net profit. So we are at 0 trades right now. I'm going to go ahead and generate the next random trade.
If you are enjoying the Random Forex Trader video series and you are beginning to see the power of creating profits in the Forex market, it's even easier to get all of my daily profitable Forex trades sent directly to your MT4 account, freeing you up from complex trade entry strategies, and you can get your share of the automated Forex profits. Check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
I'm going to copy my trade list, all 28 pairs plus US 30, and we'll go to the randomizer. We'll go to list randomizer at randomizer.org, paste the list here, randomize, and our very next trade is AUD NZD sell. AUD NZD sell. Let's go to the charts. So here's AUD NZD. Let me put that onto the active chart, and we said sell, so I'm going to hit sell. We are now in an AUD NZD sell trade. Currently looking at the 15-minute chart, and the trend is coming down. Let's take a look at a higher time frame. The 4-hour is actually on the way up, however, currently in a pullback. So it's kind of a 50-50 type thing here. I'm going to go ahead and set a take profit on the 15-minute chart here, right at the bottom of the current structure. So I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom of these candles. And let's see what that would be. It's probably not a whole lot of profit. Yeah, it's only $2.63 profit. I'm going to go for a little bit more profit than that. So let's zoom out. And we're going to drag this down even farther. Let's drag it down to the bottom of this really long candle buy push over here to the left, because a lot of times price has to come back to that huge push. So I'm going to leave it down there. And if we take profit at that level, it will be $16 in this case. I'll leave it there, and we'll see how this random trade plays out, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at fxwithterry.com/account login, and you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Forex Random Trader. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. And visit fxwithterry.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.